plan for today?
Today, we are working on the choke. And today, you are filling up the oil reservoir.
Me?
We're gonna do it. This.
That?
It's an oil pump. So, this is super easy. Super easy. All you're gonna do is pump the oil into the reservoir.
So you gonna help with this, right? You gonna help me, right?
Bro, you got it. You got it. Hello? Yeah.
Yo! Yo!
Alright, my G, you done yet?
It's bullshit, man.